For your convenience, I've listed all the ingredients and step-by-step method in the description below. Alternatively, pause the video here. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Mince the garlic, add to pestle mortar with paprika, thyme, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, beetroot juice and salt to taste. Form a paste. Trim the cauliflower and cut across in the remains of the stalk so it cooks evenly. Rub the paste onto cauliflower and place it in a tray. Pour the lemon juice over the cauliflower. Using a small syringe, add some beetroot juice to create a bloody brain look. Cover the cauliflower and roast for about an hour and a half or until tender, removing the cover after an hour. Sprinkle with lemon zest and roast for another 10 minutes. Cook the beans until tender and wait for them to cool down. Add to food processor with lemon juice, mayo and fresh mint. Add salt to taste. Blend until smooth. And if you'd like to see my vegan mayo recipe, check out my other videos. Using half a potato, silver foil and cocktail sticks, assemble your brain. I'm using a coffee filter to stop the dip leaking through. Add as much dip as you can and serve with warm nachos. If you're looking for other funky Halloween snacks for these to go with, check out my other videos.